everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna share with you 5 outfits that you can wear if you don't have a holiday party to go to. We all love a good party, but most days when we're getting dressed and leaving the house, we're not heading to a party. So I'm gonna give you 5 options there. The 6th option, spoiler alert, it's what's underneath this jacket. That is definitely a party outfit. All of these pieces, the hero pieces of this haul, are from J.Crew factory. Many of you have asked me to do some hauls from different retailers. You're still gonna see my favorites from Walmart and Amazon, Chico's and Nordstrom, but I thought it would be fun to add a few more to the mix. So let's revisit J.Crew factory. I set myself a budget of $500 and here's everything that I picked up. Outfit number 1 features 2 of the pieces I picked up in this haul. The first is this amazingly soft hoodie. So soft, in fact, that it's called a soft knit hoodie. It also comes in a blush pink and a camel sort of tan color. Super soft, doesn't even do it justice. It's sort of like a lighter weight brushed fleece, so it almost feels like a velour. It's that soft. I love that it's very warm, again, soft hoodie, but it's not a bulky, oversized fit. It's a slimmer fit. Does run true to size. I'm wearing it in the extra small. Just paired it with an old favorite pair of jeans, some faux suede loafers, and it's fine all by itself, or if you want to go really cash, you can wear this over joggers, over any kind of knit pants, or the jeans and throw on tennis shoes. But in this case, I kind of wanted to dress it up just a little bit and give it a layered look, a little nod to the preppy vibe, which of course J.Crew factory and its parent company J.Crew sort of defined preppy styles. So I added this Schoolboy sweater blazer, and I have to stress Schoolboy because Schoolboy means fitted. So if you want a super fitted look, then definitely get your regular size. I prefer to have a little more room, especially in the sleeves. As you can see, I wanted to layer it over things. So I sized up. I'm wearing it in the small. It's a really nice, soft, knit, sort of like a combination between a cardigan and a blazer. It also comes in petite sizing. I'm wearing the regular sizing, and it also comes in black and dark green as well. It's a beautiful staple piece, and that's what I really like about most of J.Crew and J.Crew factory pieces, is there's a couple statement things here and there, but these are all fantastic closet staples that you're going to reach for over and over throughout the season. You're going to put away for spring, summer. You're going to pull it right back out next year. So even though these are already budget friendly pieces, they're also pieces that you're going to get a lot of wear out of. Now, speaking of pricing, I am putting on the screen and down in the description box and pinned to the top of the comments the prices that I paid when I purchased all of these items, and I did purchase all of them. They have sales all the time and the sale amount fluctuates. So just bear that in mind. Outfit number 2, super casual. The hero piece here, the haul piece, is this wide button collar pullover sweatshirt. Now I got it in the stripe version, and it has that same lining that the hoodie has, this sort of super soft, almost brushed fleece inside. It also comes in an oatmeal sort of heather color with a plaid lining, which would be really cute for the holidays, especially if you layered that, say, over a denim shirt underneath. And it also comes in a sort of heather green, almost olive green color with no color contrast lining. I love the stripe version. You can wear it like I am with the buttons unbuttoned, sort of flop it open. It's not going to be too open. You can still wear a regular bra and everything underneath, but if you want to turn it into more of a mock neck style, you can button them up. So it's almost like getting 2 shirts in one. I know this isn't about just dressing for comfort, but if you happen to be very focused on dressing for comfort, you're going to love this top. I really didn't want to take it off. I'm pairing it with a pair of cargo knit pants. I've shown these over and over. They come in quite a few colors. And then just to keep that casual vibe going, went with white sneakers. But of course, you can do, I think, some loafers, some ballet slippers would look great. Just depends how you want to dress it up. And I think this would also make for a great travel outfit. Sometimes you just want to put on a sweater and pants and go out the door. It doesn't have to be all that complicated. Again, we're going with comfort here because this crewneck sweater, literally described, I'm reading my notes, as crewneck sweater in extra soft yarn. I picked the retro blue color, and again, I would say these run true to size. I'm wearing the extra small. This comes in a lot of colors, some bright colors, a lot of neutrals, some more muted and pastel tones as well. The yarn on this is super, super soft. It's not cashmere or angora soft, which sometimes can cause a little bit of an itchy reaction. This is just like being wrapped in a cloud. And I love that it's a basic sweater, but I am partial to that gorgeous blue. There's also a couple of greens that are absolutely stunning, like a bright spring green. Sometimes you don't need to have a whole statement outfit going. You just throw on a sweater, you throw on a pair of pants. In this case, instead of jeans, I just went for my straight leg Ivory corduroy pants. You could swap it out for jeans. It's just easy. Dressing doesn't always have to be complicated. I just wanted to share a very easy, comfortable, but I think still also very beautiful winter late fall outfit. For outfit number 4, the new piece here from J.Crew Factory are the Essential Straight Cord Pants. I've mentioned this in earlier videos. I love jeans. They're my go-to pants for the season, but if I want to feel a little dressier or more put together, I swap the jeans for corduroys. To be honest, corduroys are usually even more comfortable than jeans, but they seem to give a more polished look just because they're not denim. These particular corduroy pants also come in petite and tall lengths, and check out the color selection. We have burgundy, ecru, green, tan, and black. I am wearing the regular length in a size 26. I would say they run true to size, super comfortable, very soft, very stretchy, and sticking with this. We're not always dressing to go to a party. Sometimes you just want to throw on a sweater, an easy pair of pants, and some shoes and go out the door. This is called the Cozier than Cashmere colored sweater. This one happens to be from Maurice's. I have also mentioned before that I love pairing black and a rich tan or brown together, and I feel like this sweater makes what could be a very dark vibe a little bit brighter by bringing in the brown. It's a little preppier, and then just to make my legs look a little bit longer, I usually don't wear black shoes, but I paired the black shoes with the black corduroy just to give a little longer length happening there. But if you don't want to wear a heel, you could always do a cap toe ballet shoe or even a pair of sneakers or just a pair of loafers. Outfit number 5 is our last very casual outfit here. All of these pieces are new to me from J.Crew Factory. So first, let's start with this quilted Mockneck pullover. I have seen this style shown at a lot of retailers, including J.Crew and J.Crew Factory, and I've tried them on, and the quilted part is usually quite thick and adds quite a bit of bulk, and it's kind of stiff. I decided to give this one a try, and I'm really glad that I did because it is a very thin, fluid, drapey material. So you have that really pretty quilted pattern without feeling like you're the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, which I really like. Love the mock neck. I love that it's a wider mock neck, so it really gives a little bit more movement here. And it also comes in red, tan, and black. And then another essential pant, they're calling it the Cali Straight Leg Velvet Pants. Same as the corduroys, comes in classic length, petite and tall, and the same color range, burgundy, ecru, green, tan, and black. This green is so fun. And I just want to show that you don't have to save velvet pants for a party. You can swap them for your jeans, for your corduroy pants. Just depends what you pair with it. You could easily dress these up. In fact, this jacket that I'm about to show you in the last outfit would look very Christmassy and Christmas party appropriate paired with the velvet pants. But I decided to keep things a little casual, pair it with the quilted mock neck, and then just to tie in the colors and also feel a little more festive, this square plaid scarf. It's, again, very, very soft. It is under $15, and there, I think, are 4 or 5 other color styles. You don't have to save the scarf for just when you're wearing a coat. It is absolutely an accessory to bring a pop of color, tie in an outfit together. And then I also want to point out, these are not from J.Crew Factory, but the lug sole ankle bootie. I purposefully chose a more casual type boot with that lug sole to make it more of a casual vibe, bring in the casual part of the top, tied into the boots at the very bottom. If you wanted this to be a more polished look, I would still do an ankle boot, but more of a traditional, not flat sole, but not a lug sole, if you know what I mean. And then lastly, outfit number 6, I had to save the party outfit for last so we could go out with a bang. First, let's just talk about the dress underneath this. This is a tartan feather trim dress. This is most definitely a fun party dress, great for the holidays. The feather trim is absolutely fun and adorable. It's sleeveless, which means more than likely you're gonna wanna layer it either over or under something. We'll get to that in a second. Has a zip all the way up the back. What I really love is this dress has pockets. And as far as layering goes, this was an easy one. I saw this right away, knew I had to have it. The parent company, J.Crew, has a lot of variations on this as well. It's the tweed lady jacket. It has the jeweled buttons. I didn't button this one all the way up, so you can kind of see it here. It does have the pockets on the sides as well. It is lined with the kind of satiny lining. It does come in other colors. It also comes in petite sizing, which is lovely. This was the most expensive piece that I bought in the haul, and I think it's worth it. It is definitely a quality piece. And while you can layer it over this dress to make this dress, first of all, wearable in December weather, you could also wear it buttoned like this with the pair of jeans that I showed in the first outfit. You don't have to save this for a dressed up party night. This would be a great jacket for a brunch, for a date night with a pair of jeans, fun, maybe a pair of kitten heels, and you are out the door. I have also seen this particular dress layered over like a white or a black long sleeve turtleneck. And I have to give a shout out to the opaque tights. First of all, love opaque tight season because it means I don't have to worry about any kind of fake tanner on my legs. But also this particular pair of tights, they're from Joyspun, which is a Walmart brand. They are just under $10 for a pack of 2. And I have reworn this pair probably 10 times in the last year, and they're still going strong. So shout out to the basically $5 pair of tights that just keep on going. So that's just a quick $500 haul. I think I got a lot of great pieces that I know I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of. As I am filming this, I actually have a party to go to tomorrow night, and I have figured out what I'm wearing to the party. So I'll be sure to share those pictures over on Instagram. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope that you had fun. If you have any questions that I forgot to address, please do not hesitate to ask them in the comments. I'll get right to them. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.